Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character yuán step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Yuán. First. Put. Fundamental. For example, 元旦 New Year's Day. 元旦 New Year's Day. We are going to get married on New Year. 我们打算元旦结婚。We are going to get married on New Year. "我们打算元旦结婚。我们打算元旦结婚 get married. We are going to get married on New Year. 我们打算元旦结婚。元 in cursive. 元 first. Put. Fundamental. 元旦 New Year's Day. We are going to get married on New Year. 我们打算元旦结婚。元 Please comment any words or sentence with the character yuán. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.